Hey guys, what's going on? Nick WX back with another video. Thank you all for being here again. So today's gonna be a little bit of a longer video. As I said, I'd be back with the modifications, and today I have 3 modifications kind of going on all at the same time. So today I decided to adjust the camber on my BC Extreme lows all the way to the max, which is -4. So this is them. Slight camberage, as you can see. If I'm lined up directly in the front, you can see a slight camber there, as well as the back. Those came cambered once I got the alignment, but as you can see, they kind of match now. I don't know if that's in the video, but we could try again with this side. Definitely some camber there. I don't know if we can match them up. You can see a little bit of a slight difference there. But anyway, back to the main focus of the video is the Foglight bezel switch. These are the JDM Foglight bezels. Those were the stock ones. They look sick. I got them off of SubieBros for around $120 shipped. They come with everything you need. They came with the flasher. I think this was an extra $15. Yeah, it came with everything that you need. Basically is plug and play. Look at that, they look great. Those are compared to the stocks. And while we're over here looking at the front, what do we notice that's different from the last video? We have a front lip on her. That was just an eBay front lip, $120. I'm gonna make a separate video of that and why I like this front lip so much. It fit perfectly, 0 complaints, super cheap. You could paint it any color because it comes in that unfinished primer kind of color. But yeah guys, I'm gonna update you as I go along. This is it. We kind of got the front apart right now. We're going step by step, but I will catch you guys in a minute. All right guys, we're back. It is the next day. The sun is shining quite beautifully out here, and we are back with them fully installed. They fit perfectly and they look great. Sometimes the little bottom clip pops out, but this is them, the front running lights during the day. The car is just idling right now, and I'll turn on the sequentials for you. Don't want to give away the front steering wheel. That'll be in one of the next videos. There it is. I didn't really change anything with the buttons. This is literally factory with how it comes. Yeah guys, no, I love them. They look great. For the price, you really can't go wrong. It's pretty easy to wire up. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll respond to all of them. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll catch you in the next video.